Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at this socket adapter set from Milwaukee. This is 48-32-5033, and this is really cool because you have the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. They're 2 inches in length each, and what these do is basically just go into the front of your impact wrench, so it turns it into an impact. So as an example, here's a 3/8 inch, and so now you can just run this right on the front of this. So this saves you a few steps. You can buy these impacts where the end of it does have this already on there, but that's all that it is, and then you need other adapters to run other things. These are really handy for any of the bigger kits that you buy. Like this pack out kit, it's going to have all kinds of attachments that you can run. So that's why you wouldn't want to buy it the other way. So as an example, you can run any of these just by pulling this out and switching it over. So it gives you a lot of variety, and you can use it with your sockets. So that's how you can change that by these little adapters. So this is a nice little 3-pack. It gives you the 1/4 inch drive, 3/8, and 1/2 inch all in one. So I just thought that was pretty neat, and I wanted to pick that up today. Now, a lot of these kits are going to come with the same size that you need. So here's the 3/8 inch one. That's going to match these sockets, and they have the little ball in there as well to lock it in. And the sockets are really nice on this red stripe. That really helps to separate these. But anyway, that just gives you some versatility here on the little 1/4 inch impact. So check the video description for more videos like this, and we'll catch you on the next video.